Welcome back to the Confident Retirement Journey. I'm Craig Sullivan, founder and CEO of Sullivan Financial Partners. Today, we're going to take a deep look at life insurance and why the wealthy use life insurance. You see, typically, people think of life insurance as simply something to be there in case one of us passes too early, to take care of paying off the mortgage or making sure the kids can still go to college. While that's still valid, and it's a really good reason to have life insurance, there's more advanced strategies that life insurance can be a fantastic tool for a financial plan. The wealthy have been using it for years, and high net worth individuals today have so much access to planning strategies that it's important to take a look. If you don't classify yourself in the high net worth individual category, life insurance can still be a valuable tool when used correctly. So let's take a look. First way we want to look at life insurance is preserving wealth through proper planning. Federal estate taxes exemption is scheduled to drop at the end of 2025. Legislature, Congress may change that, but for right now, we have to plan for what we know. Life insurance can help offset 40% or more of estate tax. If your estate goes above the exemption amount, it can be taxable for up to 40%. That's a big burden to leave on your heirs. Life insurance used properly can help offset that tax burden. If it's held inside of a trust, an ILIT, it can also be held outside of your estate. So then that benefit is tax-free and does not increase your estate. It's important to set these things up correctly, which is also important to have a good plan. It also can provide liquidity so heirs aren't forced to sell assets. One of the big things we see is maybe a family has a farm, a ranch, a large piece of property that's been in the family for years. And then when our family passes away and there's estate tax due, how can we pay it? If we haven't planned properly, unfortunately, too many times we've seen people have to sell off pieces of that legacy farmland or ranch land to be able to afford the tax bill. A properly structured life insurance strategy can provide the cash flow necessary to pay any tax and keep the family legacy intact. That's just one of many strategies that can be used. Now, tax-savvy asset for retirement planning, permanent life insurance can build tax-deferred cash value. High net worth individuals borrow from it for tax-free income. It can help reduce the tax impact for required distributions or capital gains. If you don't need to take out extra money, you don't have to from your taxable accounts. If you do need to, you can supplement with money from a tax-free loan against your life insurance policy where appropriate. That's also useful in those high tax years where you earned a little bit extra and you want to prevent that bracket creep is what we call it. We don't want to take more money from your IRAs if we don't have to, which could potentially throw you into the next tax bracket when we have another bucket that's much more tax efficient to supplement and balance that overall income. These are just some strategies that can help refine and make a retirement plan a little bit more efficient. Life insurance is also a much smarter way to transfer wealth. Life insurance passes tax-free to your heirs and charities. The life insurance trust removes the taxable amount from your estate. The death benefit then pays tax-free. Survivorship policies are very popular with a husband and wife. This helps pay the taxes on the estate after both have passed. It really helps protect the legacy of the family for the children or for the loved ones that you're leaving your estate to. This can be ideal for charitable giving and bypassing probate as well. So let's look at the strategic power of life insurance. Number one is it's not just protection, it's planning. I want you to think of life insurance not as a product, but as a tool. For us, we look at life insurance, annuities, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, REITs, etc. We look at all of these things simply as a tool in a toolbox. We want to find the right tool for the right job for you. Life insurance can help mitigate estate taxes, enhance retirement income, and support succession. In addition, sometimes when used correctly, it can also address some long-term care concerns. These are all things that have to be done correctly and have to be built into your plan specifically. Unfortunately, this strategy is often severely underused. mostly because people don't know anything about it. And it's what we help our clients with every day. A custom design policy can be a cornerstone of a successful retirement plan. Our team of advisors sits down with people every day to help build an efficient retirement plan that looks at income planning, investment planning, tax planning, healthcare, and legacy. Oftentimes, building in a very efficient life insurance policy or life insurance strategy to an overall financial plan is tremendous and successful. Thanks.